In Shots to Hole, you're able to create coach groups. These groups can be used to compare or benchmark your other players to in the various analysis tools within the Shots to Hole program. To make a coach group, first you come to the coach tab, and from your list of players you're going to group them into whatever subsets or sets that you would like. First, we come across here to where it says coach groups and click add. Give your group a name. So I'm going to call them test group. Now that I have a group, I just need to put some players in. So I'm going to put in this case, the two lowest handicappers in this group by highlighting them. I click add, and now they're in my group. What can I do with the players once they're in the group? Well, for example, under rankings, I can come in here and say, okay, score, generate ranking. So in this case, I can do a ranking on my coach group or my entire base of players. Alternatively, in any of the filter boxes, I can come to coach group and filter the data and see how any one of that group's gone for comparison to other groups or other players. So this is how you would set up a coach group, and also some of the things you can do with the coach group within Shots to Hole.